Brass mill turn machining requires optimized cutting speeds and sharp tooling to prevent built-up edge while maintaining excellent surface finish. Proper chip control and stable fixturing are critical to achieve tight tolerances and high efficiency in complex geometries.
Base hit heavy, got a club on trial. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, maybe not just stop. Pull up clean, no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like sea. Boys talk tough, but they fold on beat. I don't play fair, just play elite. Late night text like, where you at? Told her on the way, I move.